Hello guys, now I'll go to our brushes for I get out from this bat. Look, my hair got tangled when I was sleeping. Where's my nanny?
Nani is in washroom. Why? Oh, baby, you're making video very bad. Tell me.
Mama.
Yeah. Put it off, beta.
Mama.
Okay.
Now I'll go to do brushing. Okay? I will keep you here. Mommy do for brushing. Don't do.